Over 20 expensive bungalows in Singapore, worth close to $500 million, have changed hands so far this year. Observers say the luxury housing market is still holding up, but Kelly Wong finds out whether this will last till the end of the year.
A dip in a pool any time of the day, and a lift back to the bedrooms. That's what you'll find in this Good Class Bungalow, or GCB, which belongs to the pinnacle of the housing market in Singapore.
It took me nearly 15 minutes to do a complete tour of this house. Now, with a land area of around 20,000 square feet and located at Andrew Road, a prime estate, this house is one of about 2,500 good class bungalows in Singapore. And it's no surprise that such rare properties come with a hefty price tag.
So far this year, 23 have changed hands. About 7 in 10 sold between $13 and $28 million, with the highest fetching over $57 million. On average, about 45 GCBs have been sold annually for the past 3 years. Figures for the second quarter of this year were halved compared to last year because of circuit breaker measures. Still, the wealthy are buying amid the recession because of pent-up demand.
The buyers are typically high net worth individuals, including successful professionals, businessmen, tycoons, and wealthy families. They see long-term investment value due to the limited supply in land-scarce Singapore. Some buyers have been aspiring to purchase GCBs for some time, and during this softer market conditions, as sellers become more flexible in pricing, they find it a good time commit to a purchase.
But Mr. Ong says it won't be enough for full year figures to match previous years, with many still waiting for the best bargain. Another analyst who has a different threshold of what's considered a GCB says those selling also aren't in a hurry.
Most of the owners of good class bungalows have very strong financial positions and are able to hold on to their assets. In fact, our research shows that typically, on average, they will hold on to it for at least 11 years before transacting the properties. But what it has done is that it has lengthened the search period for a buyer.
As for low home loan interest rates, analysts agree these don't matter for GCB buyers since down payments alone are already in the millions.